What is the role of a diuretic in post-operative period? For a consultant, a common informing by the resident in the morning rounds is that this cesarean done yesterday, last night she had decreased urine output, it looked dark, so I gave Lasix. Now in the morning rounds, the bag is full. It's full with surgically aesthetic looking very light yellow colored urine. Resident is very proud of this urine output. It's sure a treat to the eyes, but giving unnecessary Lasix might have complications. But this patient now also has post-dural puncture headache and the BP remains on the lower side. Now I'll tell you how these two things are connected. So what has happened? After the cesarean, sometimes IV and oral hydration are suboptimum and the patient goes in dehydration, and that is why the urine output is decreased and dark. Or the other causes of a low urine output could be ongoing blood loss or excessive intraoperative blood loss. Now each of these cases you have to find out and you have to treat the cause. If there was just dehydration with no ongoing blood loss, give fluid challenge, tell her to take oral fluids, give 1 hour of 1 liter fluid challenge, and then see if the urine output improves. If the HB is low, there is anemia, correct anemia, the urine output will come. So always find the surgical cause of decreased urine output, correct that cause and see that the urine output is coming back. What will furosemide do? It will dehydrate an already fluid deficient patient. And this post-operative dehydration, apart from other adverse effects, will also be a cause of post-dural puncture headache, which is a very bothersome complaint. And you know that dehydration post-operatively also increases the chance of wound infection. So is there any role of Lasix in the post-operative period? Yes, if excessive IV fluids were given and now she has developed lung creps, in those cases you give Lasix judiciously, or if you want to give it for a medical condition, take a physician review and then give furosemide to a post-operative patient.